5 epistemological forms implicated in cognitive development. Now, these might sound quite special words to use, and you could call them other things. For the first category, we can look at activity of young children and their reference to objects that are what we would loosely describe as being immediately available to them. So step 2, references to recurring contexts of activity. Okay, so now the child becomes familiar over time with different ways of behaving. The child then starts to get the opportunity to talk about or refer to activities that they're not actually currently doing. Third form, reference to plans of action distinct from the activity that the plans are about. So now they're able to think about a familiar activity, okay, and actually talk about that without actually materialistically doing it. The fourth form, references to systems of criteria. Now we have extra complication in the planning process. We're saying, first of all, it's to build this plan. It's not any old plan that will do. There are certain criteria that must be met, and you're formulating what those criteria are and building plans around that. So there are many more constraints around the plan, and now you need to work out a plan of action that, for example, might address 2 apparently contradictory criterions. The fifth form, references to self-generative processes, looking at a process that regenerates itself, especially through what's often called a functional systems sort of perspective. But to look at it sort of like from snapshots across time and see how the shape or the morphology of a structure can change over time and effectively come back to where it was, or see how it reproduces itself over time.